This is just going to be an overview of my Insta360 setup on the motorcycle. So this is the selfie stick mounted on the BMW GSA, fully extended. When you have it extended, you can see it shake a little at the end. So to avoid that, I just collapsed the selfie stick just a little bit, and it makes it a little bit less bouncy. And this is the horizontal mount on the helmet. It's a chin mount with the horizontal bracket, and it just screws in super fast and super easy. It was easy to move the camera between the two mounts. Right now, it's mounted on my helmet using a chin mount, and it's mounted horizontally with only one camera facing forward. So it's not in the 360 mode, it's in the single camera mode. Now I'm standing on the foot pegs as I come up behind Shireen. You can see it's a much better view than when I was sitting down previously. From here, I'm sitting at the gas pump, and you can see that you see a lot of the bike when it's on the chin mount, mainly because the camera is probably hanging lower on the chin than typically a GoPro would. So with the chin mount horizontal, it looks like the camera is a little left of center of the bike, and that's just because the shape of the camera with the lens more to the left when it's horizontally mounted. Now this is a 360 shot using both lenses on the selfie stick extended out in front of my bike. So you don't see any portion of my bike. Same configuration. Now I'm behind Shireen going through the tunnel. From here you can see a little bit of my bike, but I can use the Insta360 software to pan the view. So it captures the more of what's going on in the moment. And here's another 360 feature. As we pull up at the stoplight, I can make it so that the camera pans back and sees both of us in the shot. That's me going through the tunnel with the 360 camera panning as we exit the tunnel and head up into the canyon. Great shots. Now I'm back using the single lens mode with the chin mount, and I'm behind Shireen standing on the pegs. You can see the selfie stick in the bottom of the frame. The camera's obviously not attached there. Now it's back on the selfie stick, same type of shot, but you can see the difference between the two different mounting positions. That bumping that you see of my bike, it's not the bike bumping, it's actually the camera bumping on the end of the selfie stick. But you can get some really nice shots as you enter corners and turns. And it's like having two cameras in one, because you can change the view angle where you pan from the rider in front of you to your selfie sort of image behind you. And this is me again sitting. You know, the windshield really gets away in the shot, so I'm not a real big fan of this. And that's again from the selfie stick using the 360 mode. You don't see any of the stitch lines from stitching the two cameras together. That Insta does a really good job with that, and the color quality of the image is really good as well. And you know, you can move the bike around in the lane and you know, when it's safe, and you could get different angles for different shots. But that's about it. I just wanted to kind of show you guys how I'm using the Insta. This was kind of my dry run for Europe, and you know, kind of testing with the mounting positions of the camera. I'm probably going to test a few more things, and if I come across something significant, I'll be sure to share it with you guys. Enjoy. Take care.